Taashu says please when she wants something. Wants something. Wants something. Taashu says please when she wants something. It's the magic word. Rivu says please and thank you too. Thank you too. Thank you too. Rivu says please and thank you too. It makes everyone smile. Sia shares her toys and says, here you go. Here you go. Here you go. Sia shares her toys and says, here you go. Sharing is so much fun. Taashu, Rivu, and Sia say, please, please, please. Please, please, please. Please, please.